This is a lettuce seed. From a tiny seed to crisp, plump head of lettuce with just 500 milliliters of water. But this is no ordinary farm. Think of it as a 7-star hotel for vegetables. Perfect air, water, and growing conditions on demand. Light, humidity, and temperature are all precisely regulated. With a 300,000 class clean space and soilless cultivation, pests and diseases are completely avoided. Only healthy plants bring peace of mind to every consumer. Automatic irrigation runs non-stop here, with all essential nutrients supplied sufficiently. Well-fed and well-hydrated vegetables come with superior nutrition. Here we have germination, transplanting, and seedling planting. We wait 10 days, 20 days, 35 days for steady growth. 0 pesticides and 0 pollution. Fresh veggies ready to eat directly. Lettuce, leafy greens, chives, leaf lettuce, cucumbers, and tomatoes. We can supply all your vegetables all year round. Subscribe to my channel, and I'll show you the top-tier standards of safe and healthy food.